Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to send camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so there are many reasons why you may want to actually go and send a video as a snap, so I'll show you how. So the first thing you need to do is just come into your Snapchat like so. Okay, so firstly, all you would need to do is just create a really short video, just a few seconds long, just to be able to actually start this process. So just make a quick little video. Okay, that's great. And then all you need to do next is you'll see there's a plus button just down in the bottom left hand corner. If you just select that. Okay, so once you've pressed the plus symbol, then it's going to take you to this next screen where it's going to want you to make another video. But instead, we want to press the plus small yellow icon that's on the right hand side this time, along with what looks like the photo icon. So if you press that, it should take you then into your camera roll. Okay, so then what we're going to do is just choose another video to import into the existing snap. So I'm just going to select this particular one. Okay, so then we can see this has now been added. So if we're happy to obviously go forth with this one, if you just press the yellow tick on the bottom right hand corner. So now you can see we have two videos at the bottom that have now been put together, but you obviously don't want to send the very first one that you made. So you can just go and tap on it and then just select the bin icon just above it, and then that will delete it from the snap. And then just press delete clip. Okay, so then we've deleted that clip. So if we're happy with the one video that we have taken from our camera roll, I'll just press preview, and then this is what I can see. So obviously now at this point you can add text, add some stylization to it. I'm just going to add text to it like that. And then at this point we can just send it to whoever we want to in our contacts. So I'm just going to select a couple of people, send to, and then as you can see, if you then go into it and just see that it's actually been delivered as a snap. And that's pretty much it. That is how to send camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.